Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to create a group application, or you can say apply as a family for Canada citizenship. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. So guys, I have already made a video to show you how you can apply as an individual. But what if you are applying as part of a group? For example, you could be a couple immigrated to Canada together, just a sample, and now you both have become eligible to apply for the Canadian citizenship together. So how you can do this? This is what I'm going to show you. So the very first thing you are going to do is like uh, you have to one of you have to create an account, okay, and create an application. Now, on the main application page, you have this option, co-applicants applying with you. Invite other adults to apply with you as your co-applicants. Application will be submitted along with your application as a group. See, we'll process all applications at the same time. You have to put their email address, and this can be your family members or unrelated too. And the other person must answer the security question. Like you set a question and an answer, and you share the answer with them so that when they accept the invitation and they put the answer, it goes with them. So how it will work, like let's say as a couple, so both of you will have individual accounts that are gonna be linked. You should not share your passwords with each other, of course, cannot access each other's application. Will have only limited information about other's application, of course, privacy. Must sign and create their own application, will process all applications together. So now you got an idea. Okay. This is what I wanted to show you guys. Now the question arrives how to apply as individual. So that link is in the description. You can go ahead and check that. Now I'm gonna send an invite and I'm gonna show you some more. So bear with me, guys. So I sent an invitation and this is how it looks. So this invitation is valid 14 days. Okay. And then you can click on apply or decline the invitation. So once you click on this, let me show you. It will open the sign in page. So as I said that everyone has to do their own application. So you need to create an account if you don't have already, or if you have login, and then go ahead and accept the link invitation once you get in. And of course, you need to use the same answer that was shared while the invitation was sent. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about this. And again, in order to follow the application, follow the link in the description and let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.